Well, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I will do some DTF transfer with my HTVront auto press. And the client wanted us to do a theme of a coffee brew. And they love coffee, of course. And my daughter and myself actually created the logo. And we submitted to the client and they love it. So that's what we're gonna do. I actually sent it to Ninja Transfer, and they did the DTF transfer paper with the logo on it. So it looks very nice. I got it back. I'm very impressed with it, and I also got some T-shirts from them as well, Ninja Transfer. And we're gonna do some heat press. All right, let's rock and roll. But actually, I can show you the logo real quick. All right, 1 second. I can see it's right there, right? It's a M&M's Brew Crew June 2024. As you can see, hopefully it's not blurry, okay? So let's rock and roll. Do some auto heat press, some T-shirts, all right? Peace out. There's a button, on/off button. Turn it on. And usually a DTF transfer though for the hot or cold peel. I'd go with the what's it called, the mode, the 300 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. That's how I do it. So we just wait until I get to the 300 Fahrenheit. Then we can start. And I got the T-shirt here. Remember, this one is you gotta do 2 press. So it's all the T-shirt. It's I got the Bella and Canvas. That's the T-shirt brand. It looks very nice. I can see. Here you go. All the T-shirt. All right. All black. So 141 degree now Fahrenheit. So it's still going. Put this here for now. Go. Here's my logo. Here's the rest of it. So, all my logo. Let's leave it here. Almost there. And you gotta wait a little bit. Sorry about that. It's out. So the first T-shirt, let's get it ready. There's a board right here. Even it up. Okay. I believe I have the, let's see, the ruler for measurement also. For an adult. Go. Good to eyeball it also. And a Teflon paper. Let's see, leave this here for now. Still waiting for the temperature to get 300. There's like an R, it's blinking red. Once it reaches the temperature of 300, it's gonna be turned to green. But while I'm doing that, just make sure it's straight. And right here, right, want to make sure it's aligned and it's even. There we go. But you want to pre-press first. Okay, that's what you do. Almost there. You want to be nice and level, smooth. 300 Fahrenheit, 15 seconds. It's perfect for the DTF transfer. Either I believe it's going to be the cold peel. So all you do is just like push it in and press start. Usually a pre-press, you want to be like 6 or 7 seconds only. Start, it goes down. It's come down to 13, 11, 10, 8, 7, so it's good. Just press R again to lift it up. As you can see, nice and smooth. And now you want to do is you align it. Want to align, make sure it's even, okay? And now you want to put the logo in there. Beautiful logo. You want to even it up. In, straight. Beautiful right there. Nice center. Looking good. There you go. And take this out. You press without the Teflon tape on the first one. Push it in. Press down 15 seconds. And here we go. We gotta wait for 15 seconds. Once it comes out, you actually need to cool it down. Leave it to the side and start the next one. There you go. Reach 15 seconds. Take it out. And then you want to just keep it to the side for now. And you go to the next one. Okay. Next one. Same thing. But even it up. Straighten it. Beautiful. Get even. Just be careful with the heat. I mean, I want to make sure it's centered. There you go. Yep, that's fine. Right here. You can always eyeball it too. Take that out. Want to make sure it's straight, you know. Okay, it's straight. Pre-press for 6 seconds or 7, either way. Perfect. Come back out. And then you want to pull it out. With the ruler, make sure it's straight and even. You can see. And then you put your transfer in. Just like that. Make sure it's straight. Beautiful. There you go. There you go, and that's it. Pull this out. Push it in. In 15 seconds. Okay, we do this one here, then I can show you how to do the next step, so that way you know the process of it. It's easy process. There you go, it's up. Remember, it's a cool peel. There we go. Leave it here. And for now, as you can see, beautiful, nice and straight. And what you do, just peel it. So you just peel, it's nice and cool now. This is the first one I did. And you just peel it off. Just like that. Oh my God. It is so nice. Woo! Beautiful. And remember, I told you it's gonna be a second press with the Teflon tape, paper. So make it nice and crisp. Okay, that's like a, let's do another 15-second for the second press. And make sure you put the Teflon tape paper there. You don't want the logo to melt or something. So you want to protect it. It gets stuck in the platform. And that is beautiful. As you can see, watch this. Look at that, nice and smooth. Woo! Here you go. See that? Here you go, right there. Love it. That's the one. Let me see, can you see here? There you go. M&M's Brew Crew. Here it is. Alright, just for that, everything else the same process. So I'm gonna continue doing it and then turn off my camera. So I think it should be fine. Should be able to do it. I just want to show you this part of it, okay? Thank you for watching Tech Time with T.